vlog. Okay, so today is like filming day, so I'm trying to make a bunch of content that I've been wanting to make. So let us see how much we can do today. So first off, it's a Sunday. It is literally 11 p.m. I don't know where this day went, but I did wake up late today. I slept in until 11 a.m. Got ready. We had breakfast, and then I went to the mall with my dad and our doggy. So we just walked. We did like a quick trip around the mall. We went to the grocery store. We went to eat. We went to Daiso. Literally is where the only store we went into. I had boba, or I had a milk tea, because I'm not having boba this whole month. So it was a fun day. And then I just want to do like a quick haul of like random things that I bought so far. So much stuff already. I'm gonna do a haul of like things that I've like bought and still never worn, never used. So I really need to like organize more before I think about buying more stuff. But an exception, I guess, is Daiso, because we go there. We've been going there almost every week because my dad's been buying stuff there for his aviary. So sometimes he finds like little like useful things that he could like DIY. So we always go there, and when we walk, we like walking our dog around the mall and going to Daiso and Miniso. I love Miniso. A little Daiso haul of like things I bought. So this is from like multiple trips. So first I found these today, and they're flushable pocket tissues. So they're made in Japan, and the ones I love the tissues that I got in Japan because they were like so soft, like Kleenex could never. And look at this packaging. It's so like slim, perfect for like putting in your bag, things like that. Oh, they're not as soft. They are not the soft like watery ones that I got in Japan. I still have a little bit of those too. So oh my god, they're like rough. I mean, they're still soft, but they're not like, those were like soft, like silky soft like tissues. 100 yen item, so more expensive, but that's totally fine. I also got like this little spray bottle. So I'm obsessed with getting things for travel. I think it's in like how slim it was, and it can fit a lot more. So I should have maybe got more of these. So I love that. And then next up we have, oh, also these. So I'm also obsessed with like organizing my bag. So these are like slim pouches, and I like how slim they are. Like they're so flat. So sometimes like regular like makeup pouches, of course they'll be wider, and it's hard to like fit things like to keep things more slim like in your bag without like bulking it up so much. So I love this. So, and then I got, this is a non-slip mat, which is with Mickeys on it. And I don't know, I just thought that maybe it'll come in handy for something when you want to like set your phone down. This has like coins on it. Honestly, I don't know what I really need this for. I got this like a few visits ago, and I still haven't like opened it. Next we have this little pouch. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with pouches. This is a little cinema roll pouch. I think this is my favorite Sanrio character, is Cinema Roll. So this is a mesh pouch that, I don't know, I feel like this might be good for like makeup brushes or something. I don't know, you just never know when you need like an extra pouch for something. This is a little Winnie the Pooh like drawstring pouch. I don't even know what this actually is for. This is, so I just have it. I got this one because I feel like, because my I wear a size 6 shoe, and I got 2 of these for putting like my shoes inside as like a little dust bag, or like when you're traveling to like keep it like clean and separate from your clothes. So your shoes will be in this little pouch. So I don't know where the other one is. So I got that. And then also like this little pouch too. This little mini pouch. Oh my god, it's so cute. I think this is good for like keeping my camera inside maybe. But again, I don't know what else these little things are good for, except for just being cute. I mean, they're functional. I just don't know like what their exact use is for, you know. But it's so cute, and it's like this little like thick like kind of velvety material. So I like that. Next, I love these little pouches, like, or little plastic bags, and they have so many designs. Like each time I go, they have like different designs and like different sizes. So this is a good size. My main purpose is like keeping like vitamins and things in these for traveling, and medicine. Like if you have to like put a little bit for your bag, that's pretty much. Oh, I found the other one. I did have it. Yeah. Okay. And then also like this is one of my like bag essentials for my bigger bag. Is like a separate little tote bag for when you never know when you need an extra bag for carrying stuff when you're out and about. And I hate like having flimsy, or like you have like a paper bag that breaks, things like that. So this is a foldable shopping bag, shopping tote with like Mickeys on it. I had white ones of these and I got the blue this time. But yeah, it's literally a little shopping bag. Oh, this was more expensive too. This was one of the 200 yen ones. And then I got like these little like tiny. So this is what I put like Tums inside for my small bag. But yeah, that comes with 30 pieces. These little tiny bags that are so cute. Oh, I also got this like this glass heel file. So it's very like aesthetic looking. So that's why I liked it. So yeah. I also got another little pouch. So this is a cinema roll little zip pouch for this is a good size for like maybe like makeup or like things inside. This little I just put this little cinema roll on it, but I think I got this from Japan. This little keychain that I put on it. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, you just never know now because there's so much like Sanrio stuff. So I got that. Also got more tissues. And it comes like in this. I think I'm gonna keep this like in the car because you never know when you need tissues. And I feel like they might be better quality. Oh, I also got, this is a glass cleaning cloth that's Mickey. I love Disney. I think my favorite character is Mickey Mouse. So, oh, that's so cute. I love the neutral like color. And it's very soft, perfect for cleaning your glasses and electronics. I got that. Also, oh my god, I got these like actually a while ago. But they're these little like treat bags, and it's Aladdin. I just love the design. Oh my god, it's one of my favorites. With the genies on it. With genie. Oh my god, it's so cute. And they're really good quality like bags. Also, I got these cinema roll. I don't know if I've been like showing these close up. Like this one. Oh, he's so cute. And he went to Paris. Look how cute that is. Take a trip with me. We shall have great fun and such great memories. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with that. And then I also got like, oh, the Mickey Mouse version of that pouch. So cute. Oh, I also got, I took this out of the packaging, but this like cute brush for Moochie. Because I have his like brushes that I just got from Amazon, and these like, they're like self-cleaning or whatever, where you can like easily clean it. But this like will look way more cute on my dresser here. And I know that's his. And this one, look at this little pouch. Another like flat pouch. Oh my god, I know what I'm gonna do with all of these. But they're just so cute and I can't resist them. Look! Oh. And then look at this one. Gosh, look how cute that is. I was a Sanrio girl growing up. I love Sanrio. I was like my motivation. My mom would take me to the Sanrio store and they used to have like this spinning wheel game, and we like spin it and then you can, I think, get like a free prize or some kind, maybe a discount or something, I don't remember. But you get like this little card. Gosh, memory unlocked. And then you get like stamps on it. Gosh, I lived for that. I loved Hello Kitty when I was young. Then now slowly it's like making its like comeback, and I'm like so obsessed with it again because it's so cute. And I love Japan and Japanese things, so that also fed the obsession. But number one, I'm a Disney girl. Number one, Disneyland, Disney parks. I also love Sanrio and Universal things too, but you know, Disney has to be number one. And then look at these little cute little pouches. They're riding skateboards. I freaking love it. Look how cute that is. So I got that. Also, this little thing. Oh, I have to use this for like, it's for like changing out the lids on like wipes. So look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, one touch wipe lid. And it's like, I think it's for those ones that have those like just plastic ones. So this is like a better way to protect it. And like, oh my god, look how adorable that is. Oh my god, how could you say no to this? Look, they even have like ideas of like what you can put inside. And candy. See? They give you ideas. Look at that. Fancy zip bag. What else do I have? This little pouch. Gosh, look at this. Gosh, it's so cute. These are the things that ruin like sometimes the aesthetic I go for, because I love like neutral colors too, but like I can't resist cuteness and like pastels and stuff. Gosh, when it comes to the colorways and stuff that they choose. Oh, here's the pink pouch that I was talking about. This little cute pink pouch. I love keeping things like separate. I have to get better at organizing so I can make a good video on like how best to organize things. See, look at this. I guess I already used these, but look at this design. Gosh, it's so cute. This is like at least $30 worth of little pouches and bags. Look at this one. I think this is Tuxedo Sam. I love Tuxedo Sam too. Look how cute that is. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. But they're pretty much all just like plastic pouches like this. See? Gosh. I love it. See, I got another pack of those tissues. So sad that they're not like the ones I got in Japan, but they will work just fine. I also got this one. Look at this cute one. This is adorable. This is another good one to keep for like the little small bags, to do my little emergency pouches. Oh my god, it's so cute and small. Oh, and then this one too. Oh my god. Oh, I also love Pachaco. He's really cute. See, the fancy zip bag. And then lastly, I got these batteries. So I love AirTags. Stories to come of how AirTags have come in handy for me when traveling. So they do lose their battery. So these are only $1.75 from Daiso. I don't know how well they're gonna last, but when it comes to like changing them out a lot, I mean, I don't mind. So yeah, so I've been getting the notification that some of them are getting low. So I think it's been a while. So these will help me replace those. So it would Imagine that you have the AirTag, but then it like ran out of battery right when you actually needed to use it. Ugh, that's my nightmare. Okay, but yeah. Oh, this is the last thing. Little another reusable bag. So to keep bags in bags, foldable eco bag. This one's cheaper, but yeah. Yay. So that was it for my Daiso haul. I have a bunch of like other like random things in here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And thanks to my future self. Maybe it's a reminder that I don't need any more plastic bags, no matter how cute they are. But if I see them, I might still end up buying them. Oh my god, who am I kidding? Okay, thank you. Bye. And bye.